This JMP demonstration shows how to produce histograms and summary statistics. We're using the car physical data from JMP's sample data folder. We'll look at two ways to create histograms and summary statistics. The first is with Graph Builder, which we'll launch from the Graph menu. Place a continuous variable onto the X or Y axis and select the histogram icon from the palette at the top of the window. Optional histogram properties appear at the bottom left. Here we'll select means and standard deviations to display these summary statistics inside the graph. To change the bin width of the histogram, double-click on the x-axis and specify a new bin increment value. Note that you can add additional variables to the graph to compare histograms across groups. Here, we'll put type into the group Y role to compare gas tank size histograms across different types of cars. Another way to produce histograms and summary statistics is with the distribution platform, found under the Analyze menu. Select one or more continuous variables, place them in the Y columns role, and click OK. JMP produces a histogram, box plot, quantiles, and a summary statistics table. By default, JMP orients the histogram vertically. To orient it horizontally, go to the red triangle, Histogram Options, and deselect Vertical. As with Graph Builder, you can change the bin width of the histogram by double-clicking on the x-axis and specifying a new bin increment value. To change which summary statistics are displayed, select Customize Summary Statistics Table under the red triangle next to the table, and then select only those statistics that you want displayed, and finally click OK.